Hi, my name is Dasha and I'm an international student. Today we're at the Penn State farm and we're learning a lot of interesting things about like cows and about the life on the farm, their life on the farm. And I think it's a great opportunity for the kids who wants to become a vet, and I'm really enjoying this and this is like so cool.
Hello, my name is Mackenzie Kaufman. I am a senior at Geneva Valley High School. Why I'm here today, my passion for agriculture started when I was around 4 years old. I grew up and was raised on my grandparents' fifth-generation Holstein dairy farm in Huntington County. So I've always had an interest and a passion for agriculture. After I graduate high school, I plan to attend a four-year university, possibly Penn State, majoring in animal business and either getting a minor or incorporating marketing in some way. And I want to work in some type of agricultural industry for business or marketing in that aspect. I think this is such a great program, meeting how your career exploring and finding different ways to include your passion into a job or possibly in whatever you're going to do in the future.
Event, the vet science one, I brought kids to so they would get the hands-on experience working with the veterinarians in the industry. They would also meet lots of contacts and get the career info that we talk about in class sometimes, but they'd actually get to see those people in action and what they do on a day-to-day basis.
Hello, my name is Adria Russell. I am a senior at Geneva Valley High School. Today I came because I have an interest and passion in the dairy industry and also in animal science. And I have gone on the exploration to Brubaker Farms last year and as well as the exploration here. In the future, I would like to attend Penn State for animal science. I would like to open a housing facility on my farm after I graduate college and house show dairy cattle and possibly become an embryologist as well. So all of the things I've learned about today are very beneficial for my college career and my future career as well.